Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Luzia app. You will go to settings as you see and you click. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Luzia app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your